Well, good afternoon. Today is day 12 of December Daily, and I decided to do something completely different with my wrapping papers, and I'm going to make a Scrappy notepad, but it won't really be a notepad. It'll be like a Scrappy wrapping paper sample pad, but I'm not going to use this one. And I'm not going to use this one. Well, maybe I will. I'm also thinking about cutting out one of the Hello Kitty girls to use on my next spread over here. But I'm going to get some of these papers, probably maybe torn, I don't know. Maybe cut, I don't know, we'll see. But I'll get them prepared for the Scrappy notepad. Probably will tear because I want it to look scrappy, and the reason why I changed my mind was because I didn't think I would be able to cut this papers into straight squares and rectangles, and also because like the images are so big that I didn't want to cut off any of the images to fit them all on the paper. So I have ripped out some papers, and I have to say it was hard because like some of them had more than one scene on them, and I wanted to get all of the scenes. Like I wanted to get the fox and the bunny and the birds and each deer, and the same thing with this one. Of course that one I didn't need too much of a sample of, and then I have this and this and the gnome. Gnomes are not my favorite, but my husband liked this paper. And so I really only cared about getting one gnome. There was a whole bunch of different kinds of gnomes though. So now I have to decide how I'm going to put it together. So I have got some pretty large ones, and I think this one's going to have to go kind of sideways, some of them. We want the bigger ones in the back. My camera went dead, so here I am again. My papers are all right here and ready to go, and I have to just kind of, let's see, fold over a little topper, and then we can flip it. So I need to get a little topper thing, just like a folded piece of paper, and we'll put that on top and put it together. What I'm going to do is staple these papers all together as high up on the top as I can and get them all. Hopefully that's all of them. See if they're all tucked in there. Yep. Oh, nope, not that one. Just at the very top over there. I need to come down like this, I guess. There. Got that one secure now, I think. Did I get maybe not too high enough? Go down a little bit. Okay. Let's see how that affected the rest of them. There's that one. I guess I should do it over there too. It fell out. Everything else is secure. I'm just going to go back over here and try to get this secured right over this way. There. And now I've decided to use this as my topper, and I'm just going to glue it on right here, and then glue it to the paper on the back and the front, and glue it on the back here, and we'll be all set, and that'll be our little wrapping paper flip. Easy, quick and easy. Easy peasy. Okay. And then I have a sample of each wallpaper. I don't know why I keep calling it wallpaper. I've got a sample of each wrapping paper. I probably saved some of these in other years too, because I've had that paper for a while. And we'll just glue this strip. I'm not going to glue, well, I could glue the very last page too. Maybe I'll do that. It'll be a little more secure that way. Okay. And then I got to figure out where I'm going to put the number because there's no room. Okay. I might have to put smaller number. Okay. And there's the flip. I will figure out my numbers now. For the number, I think I'm going to try to cut out a little circle of green and put some little sticker numbers. I have a 1 and a 2 of white, and they definitely will fit. And it looks like it's showing up pretty good. So I think we'll do that for this spread. Oh, wait a minute, I don't have a number 2. I thought there was a number 2 there, but there isn't. I have to use a different color. Phooey. All right. I've got shiny black, so that's what it's gonna have to be. Shiny black letters. 1, 2. I need to get some more. You know, I have like a die cut that's letters. I don't think it has numbers though, but they're so hard to do, and then you have to do so many to get enough of each letter. I think I will, that it's easier just to get stickers. So I'm gonna ink around this in black so it'll stand out just a little bit. Now, there we go. Tomorrow it will be the 13th, and I'm going to do the thing with the another grid pattern thing there. But it's also my son's birthday, so I might do 2 pages. My son is turning 47, I believe. I believe it's 47 this year. And every year in my journals, when my kids have their birthday, I dedicate a little page to them. So that's what I'll keep doing. And I do it with my grandkids too. So anyway, here we have day number 12 for December Daily 2023. A wrapping paper flip pad, Scrappy pad, of all my favorite wallpapers over the last few years. And I can definitely remember my vintage paper from my childhood there. I'll always have that now. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll get busy with number 13. And I probably will film it right after this. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and safe and healthy, and we'll see you again for number 13. Bye-bye.